Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the divisor's prime factors and the quick rules that apply. Write down the number and divisor, then test last digit and digit sum rules immediately to catch easy cases. Once done, divide out any common factors to simplify the numbers. This reduces work and reveals whether you need full division. Make sure to keep remainders noted so you can track partial results and avoid mistakes moving forward. You now perform the core steps. Apply long division or modular arithmetic to the simplified numbers. Work from left to right, bringing down digits and checking quotients, or use modulo shortcuts to compute remainders faster. Once you chunk a big number into manageable parts, combine remainders carefully to determine divisibility. Make sure to verify each intermediate remainder so errors don't propagate and you can correct steps without redoing everything. You finish by confirming the quotient and ensuring the final remainder is 0 to assert divisibility. If there's a non-zero remainder, inspect factors and perform small adjustments. Sometimes a missed common factor or an arithmetic slip causes the failure. If results disagree, recheck your subtraction and chunking steps, or try dividing by a prime factor again. This usually reveals the mistake. Remember, careful reevaluation fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.